Okay, so guys, you're welcome once again. Over here, I'll be showing you how to change your WhatsApp status from horizontal to vertical. So let's say, let me go to my WhatsApp for you guys to see something. Okay, so I'm using WhatsApp Business. So as you can see over here, this is my status. So how to change your status from the horizontal to vertical? Do you get me? So what you have to do is you have to you know get the old version of WhatsApp. So I'm going to show you how to get the old version. I've been watching a lot of videos on YouTube, and they said when you unfollow the channels, you are going to get your WhatsApp status vertical, but it doesn't work. Yeah, I'm really telling the facts. I'm fair. It doesn't work. I just tried to unfollow all those channels that I was following, and nothing worked for me. So let me show you what really work. So what you have to do is you have to go to your phone menu and try to search for Chrome. So Chrome will be around this place. Chrome browser. Okay, so this is it. So when you tap on the Chrome browser, what you have to do is to search in for WhatsApp. So just type in WhatsApp. So you're going to see WhatsApp old version. So just tap on the WhatsApp old version, and you're going to see. So today is seat match. Ghana's had the independence in seat match. So that's it. So what you have to do is you're going to see a whole lot of sites, you know, having WhatsApp Messenger old versions, a whole lot of sites. So what you have to do is to choose one of these sites. So just tap on one, then after that tap on just once, then after that wait for it to load. So as you can see, it's loading. So just wait for it to load. So guys, after loading, what you have to do is to scroll, and you're going to see, so these are the versions. So as you can see, we have 5.0, which this really work for 5.0, and these are older version of WhatsApp. So it's a whole lot over here, so you have to choose the one that's you know that's going to fit your own. So I think these ones are very good, the ones with better, you get me? So if you want that one, you just have to tap on it like this. So when you tap on it, you're going to be over here, and what you have to do is to just look down over here. You're going to see download. You tap on the download, and you're going to see this. Then after that, you're going to see this pop up. Just tap on just once, then after that you have to wait for some while, and you're going to see this pop up. Just tap on download anyway, and you're going to see downloading file. Then you tap on the details. So after tapping on details, you're going to be over here where the downloading file is downloading. So after this file has been downloaded, it's going to be like this. As you can see, you just have to tap it after downloading, then you tap on just once, and it's going to install on your device. And after that, you have to you have to use your number to register an account. But before you use your number to register an account, you have to make sure that you have delayed this WhatsApp. Do you get me? You have to delete this. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching this. See you in the next one. So this is how to change your WhatsApp status from horizontal to vertical. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.